H-O-I, till the day that the chariots fly. In the name of the Most High, and His only begotten Son, Yahweh Shai. We do the work, we hit the curb, pushing the word.
Good. Brothers more powerful in the spirit. Give it up for Nate Crumb. Watching for Israel. Good. Hallelujah. Give all praise, honor, and glory to the Most High and the Mashiach Yahweh Shai for raising up these young, strong warriors and lions to bring this word out strong. Right, God? Beautiful thing. The Most High is raising up what? That exceeding great army. You see it right before your eyes.
Appreciate you.
All right, you see it. We see all the fruits of everyone's labor coming to fruition. Done? So, according to the Bible, the Black, Hispanic, Native American, and Seminole Indians are the real Jews and Israelites. That's right. So, white people understand that. I want you to get that on camera, and I want you to send that to Trump. Right. You hear me? I want you to send that video to Trump and let them know the Negroes, Hispanic, Native American, and Seminole Indians are the real Jews and Israelites that the Bible speaks of. You can't do a damn thing about this great awakening. I don't give a damn about that little rodeo we had yesterday at Mount Rushmore. Right. Bring it out. It's not going to stop the great awakening of the men of the Lord. It's not going to stop the 12 tribes of Israel from coming back. You see it right before your eyes. So I want you to film that and you send that to Trump today. Okay? Send that to his email and tell him Iran is looking for him. Tell him they got an arrest warrant out for him. Tell him above and beyond, Yahweh Shai got an arrest warrant for him. His eyes going in captivity. Give me Sirach 4:20. Bring it out. Now, what happened to this great purge today? All right, 4th of July weekend, the white supremacists are going to come out and they're going to kill Negroes. Right. They home damn barbecuing the Negro on the grill. That's what they're doing. That's right. That's what they're doing. Everybody running around scared. The white people are going to come and kill us. You Negroes got to wake up and stop being cowards, man. Stop watching and sharing the video. They're going to kill you on the 4th of July weekend. Stay at home. We ain't staying no damn where. We're out here and we're going to rebuke the hell out of the wicked house. That's right. The White House, the wicked house. We're not scared of no damn white supremacists, man. We the men of the Lord. Niggas better be scared of us. That's right. They better be scared of the nation of Israel. They're going to come out all weekend and kill you. Not the men of the Lord. We don't give a damn what they think they're going to do. What are you mad because your statue got torn down? How are you mad because your country is upside down? You mad because your economy is shutting down? You mad because the men of the Lord are raising up right before your eyes and ain't a damn thing you can do about it? What's wrong with you? Some white supremacist going to come out and kill you. You ain't killing a damn thing. They're going to kill you with the word of the Most High and Yahweh Shai. Read Sirach 4:20. Sirach chapter 4, verse 20. Come on. Observe the opportunity. The Lord said, observe the opportunity. We're going to take every damn chance we have and preach this gospel and condemn America. But don't go outside because the white race is going to kill you. Hell no. We're going outside and we're going to speak bold against this wicked kingdom. That's right. Come on. And beware of evil. And what? And beware of evil. We're aware of your evil, America. We're aware. The Lord said beware of evil. We know what the hell is going on. But no threat, no quasi-threat from some so-called white supremacists. They're going to come out and purge you on the 4th of July. That's not going to stop the men of the Lord from getting out here. Bring it out. Bring it out. And be not ashamed when it concerns thy soul. The Lord said, don't be ashamed when it concerns your soul, man. We ain't backing down from a damn thing. We're going to teach, thus saith the Lord, thus saith the Holy Bible. And I'm going to let y'all know something. Black lives do not matter. Israelite lives matter. Israelite lives matter. Black lives matter is nothing but a damn homosexual, lesbian, a damn organization, if you can call it that. That's all it is. It's just an agenda to push homosexuality and lesbianism on the so-called black community. And the Lord tell you in the Bible, a man not supposed to lay with a man and a woman not supposed to lay with a woman. Damn sure not supposed to be a tranny, man. You're not supposed to cut your rod off. You, man. Nigga, you out of your mind. You cut your rod, you might as well cut your throat. If a nigga cut his rod, you might as well cut your damn throat. Out of here, man. We're talking about that trans lives matter. matter. Trans American lives matter. We are aware of the evil, man. Read it again from the top. The book of Sirach, chapter 4, verse 20. Observe the opportunity. And beware of evil. And you give me Matthew 26:41. And be not ashamed when it concerns thy soul. The Lord said, don't be ashamed when it concerns your soul. When it comes to our people, we're not going to be ashamed. That's right. Preach this gospel, man. The hell is some faggot organization that you try to give us talking about black? What is a woman going down on another damn woman got to do with a man with a damn foot on
Bring it out.
What does that have to do with each other, man? What is a man talking about, well, you know, next year I'm going to get my operation? What the hell does that have to do with a brother's getting shot in Wendy's parking lot? The two don't match, man. It's an agenda. It's an agenda to destroy us as a nation of people in the name of thinking that they're trying to help us. You ain't trying to help a damn thing. The word of God is going to help us. When real men come back to their true identity and nationality, that's what's going to help us. Not these fake, weak organizations that the white man control. The so-called white man control all your organizations, but he don't control us. He don't control the men of the Lord. We tell him he's the devil to his goddamn face, man. I don't give a damn if every damn racist organization is waiting in Washington, D.C. We're going to kill them Israelite niggas. You ain't going to do a damn thing. What you got, brother? Read. Verse 21. But there is a shame. Salakia, 26:41. Matthew 26:41. Read that. It's the book of Matthew, chapter 26, and verse 41. Go ahead. Watch and pray. What the Lord say? Watch and pray. That's why the Bible says, beware of evil. We know what the hell is going on. You can't pull the wool over our eyes. All right, come on. Watch and pray that ye enter not into temptation. The Lord said, watch and pray that you don't be tempted by the wickedness of this society. Come on. The spirit indeed is willing. Your spirit is willing. You want to repent. You want to do the right thing. You want to serve the Most High. You are tired of seeing your people. Some of you, you don't know any better. You're tired of seeing your people killed and destroyed. You try to see a partiality in this society. So that you got to be careful. These organizations, the white man going to come and pat you on the back and stab you in the damn stomach. We'll help you. Black Lives Matter. I know, man. Hey, man, I'm for the cause, man. But yet a black man gets found hung in Las Vegas. That's the latest victim. And it was a suicide. The family claims he was depressed. It was a suicide. That's a damn lie. So all of a sudden, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 black and Latino men decide to hang themselves all at the same time. All within a 2-week span, they all decide to hang themselves. That's nonsense, man. They going back to lynching niggas in public. You better get with the program, man. This is serious. That's why we out here really in all black telling you what's really going on. That's what we said. We said, okay, we want to see how much black lives matter to these Negroes. We're going to go out there in front of the White House with all black, and we're going to see what our people going to do. The Negroes are somewhere eating a damn spare rib right now, man. They eat a damn barbecue spare rib. Black lives didn't matter enough for them not to put a damn barbecue pork spare rib down. So that's why we had to come out here and show you the real. We're going to be here in the trenches, in and out. It's not the hype of a movement. It's not, oh, George Floyd got killed, so let's all jump on the bandwagon. No. We're here for our people all the time. You're talking about where are the Israelites? The Israelites been here. All right, read what you got, brother. Matthew chapter 26 and verse 41. Go ahead. Watch and pray. Come on. That ye enter not into temptation. So watch and pray in these last days. That's what Sirach said, be aware. That you know what's going on in these last days. Come on. The spirit indeed is willing. The spirit indeed is willing. Come on. But the flesh is weak. But the flesh is weak. Satan want to entrap you into all these different things. Now what do we have here, boys and girls? A gathering together of an unruly multitude? What the hell is this, man? Look at this weak ass march, man. Look at it. Look at this weak ass march, man. Look at it. Give me Isaiah 54:13. Give me Isaiah 54:13. Look at this weak march, man. And this is supposed to be Black Lives Matter. This is all vets for black, vets for BLM. Isn't that nice? Your ass stepped on some shrapnel in Vietnam and then you're going to cry for a black man. Right. Isn't that something? Trying to warn his people, but we don't need a specific weekend for us to stay in the house and hide from White Daddy because he's going to kill us. They've been killing niggas. Emmett Till was in the house and they came in the house and got him and killed him. So you think they can't come get you in your house? No, we need to stand bold toe-to-toe with these devils, man. That's what we need to do. That's what we said. We're going down and we're going to preach the gospel on Washington, D.C. and condemn America's birthday, man. July of 1776. Your ass was still in the cotton field, man. Harriet Tubman was in the 1800s. 12 years a slave was in the 1800s. All these things that happened was later on in the 1800s after your ass supposed to have been emancipated. So how the hell are you free, man? How you gonna give us a Juneteenth when we are not free from slavery? Only time we're free from slavery is when the Lord come and deliver us up out of here. When them chariots come and get us up out of here. That's when you're free. What's your question, brother? Oh, come in.
My name is Darius Baxter.
Shalom.
I've been with a group that's been traveling around to 18 different cities over the course of 18 days.
Good. Hold on. You see what this is? It's a damn party, man. It's a party. It's a party, man.
Don't worry so much about that.
No, hold on, brother. It's not that I'm saying I'm worrying. It's just that when it comes to causes of our people, they're not taking it serious. But go ahead, brother.
So your point, me and my group have been funded by the powers that you speak of to be able to travel around this country and spread the good word.
Right.
Not just what's going on in the Black Lives Matter movement, but what's going on through our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ and the Creator above. So I want to make sure that we're spreading the message accordingly. What would you say to young brothers like myself to have access, that are able to do certain things? How do we push forward with your movement?
Well, first of all, you said it's by the hands of the powers that be that you're able to go out and spread the gospel. Now, I'm gonna make you elaborate on that. Go deeper into that. What do you mean by that?
Go deeper into that. What do you want to know, bro?
Well, in other words, when you say it's by the hand of the powers that be, now you see Satan want to come and have a damn black party now while we teaching the gospel. Wasn't no music earlier, now Satan want to come and have a black party. But anyway, I digress. Now, when you say the powers that be have given you that access to travel and preach the gospel, when you say powers that be, who do you mean?
I'm talking about the Creator above.
You're talking about the Creator above. Hold on, wait. You're not talking about the worldly creators.
No, I'll go deep into it.
All right, now, when you say the powers that be have given you the power to preach the gospel, what gospel is that?
I've been preaching the gospel of Jesus Christ in 18 different cities.
All right, is the gospel of Jesus Christ for all people or just for the Israelites?
You tell me.
No, you preaching it. I'm supposed to be learning it from you. Right. Is the gospel of Jesus Christ, is it for the Israelites or for the entire world?
Well, at the end of the day, I believe that the God that I serve preached the gospel of love.
And now you cutting corners, brother. That's not what I asked you.
You gotta let me finish my sentence.
No, listen. I wanna let your yay be yay or your nay be nay. Do you feel? I already know the answer, but do you feel that the gospel, the good gospel that you're teaching, is for everybody or is it for the Israelites?
I'm learning who the Israelites are from you, sir.
All right, good. Because you did call my name. You did call my name.
This is my first time hearing about this.
All right.
I'm interested, which is why I'm engaging you in this.
Right.
So I'm asking, as somebody with authority, as somebody with privilege, as somebody that has access to capital, how can we further this movement?
Matthew 15:24.
That's right.
All right, and give me this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in the whole world. Matthew 24:14. Yeah. Now, if you really have that access, then your job is to help get this gospel all over the earth.
That's right.
You help finance the men of the Lord so we can travel and get this gospel all over the earth.
Right.
Not just by way of social media, but we can physically be there with the people because sometimes they need to see us in the flesh.
That's right.
All right, just like Paul had his second and third missionary journeys. Christ moved around and taught the people, laid hands on them and healed them. We need to be able to do that same thing on a higher level. So if you have access for us to do that, we'll be on a plane every damn minute teaching this word. All right, what you got, brother?
This is the book of Matthew, chapter 15, verse 24. But he answered and said,
Christ answered and said, I want you to hear this, brother, since you're just learning.
He's been traveling with me.
All right, brother Neil. All right, go ahead.
but he answered and said,
The Messiah answered and said himself, come on.
I am not sent.
I am not sent, come on.
But unto lost sheep.
But unto the lost sheep, come on.
Of the house of Israel.
So the gospel was sent unto the lost sheep of the house of Israel.
That's right. Then came she.
Salakia, read that.
Matthew 24, verse 14. And this gospel of the kingdom.
This gospel of the kingdom, go ahead,
shall be preached in all the world.
It shall be preached in all the world. That is happening through social media, but we do have to physically be amongst the people also. All right, come on. For a witness, the whole world gonna witness this truth being taught. Come on.
Unto all nations.
Unto all nations, go ahead.
And then shall the end come.
But you gotta understand, brother, our job is to go and get our people that are scattered throughout the four corners of the earth. The 12 tribes of the nation of Israel that have been scattered through slavery, through rape, robbery, murder, kidnapping, anything you can think of. We've been spread throughout the earth. So that's our job, to teach our people. The so-called white man, the other nations, when you say the gospel is love, what is love? According to the scriptures.
God is love.
But what is love? Define love.
God is love.
No, that's not a definition. Give me a definition of love according to the scriptures. You know what I want? St. John, 1 John. All right? Give me a definition of love according to the scriptures.
Well, I was asked this question once, I'm not going to lie to you. And the person said, what is the most real definition of love that you have in your life? And I said, my mother. That is love to me.
Okay, now, no. Listen, okay, I understand that, but you're giving a person, all right? I'm telling you to define the action of the word love. All right? Hold up. The verb, not the noun, but the verb. Give me the verb. Well, let's give it to you. Read. This is 1 John, chapter 5, verse 3. For this is the love of God. What did the Lord say? For this is the love of God. For this is the love of God. Not just God. There's a